It is me the night calls, like an ancient lullaby, the rhythm of rain, covering me gently, rocking me to sleep. The world falls silent, noises fade away. The rhythm of raindrops, dancing peacefully. Knocking on rooftops, dancing on windows, erasing all thoughts, pulling me close. It is called finding me. Drops bring me to dream, raindrops need to sleep. Troubles are erased. Music of raindrops resting in my heart, peaceful to mind into me, hugging my night. Chain of calm in its deepest dreams dance. The rain sounding so clear, beautiful romance. Sound of the quiet side, flying behind clouds. Rain embracing everything, way in the dark. Raindrops falling slowly to the rhythm of my heart. Blessing and peace is brought by the rain and the sun. Walking the roads, rain is my company. The quiet city waking, ending is the night. All my troubles fading, taken by the drops. The sound of rain protecting my soul, getting calm.